So here's how to promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here you have to click on the profile icon. After that, at this page, click on the groups option. Promoting affiliate links on Facebook groups requires a delicate approach to avoid coming across as spammy. Here are some tips. Join groups that are related to the product or niche you are promoting. Ensure the group's rules allow the affiliate promotions. Engage with the group by participating in discussions, answering questions, and providing value. Building relationships will make your promotions more accepted. Create and share the content that's valuable and relevant to the group's interest. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or informative posts. Instead of sharing directly affiliate links, create posts that lead to content like blog post or video where the affiliate link is subtly included. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship. Let the group member know that you will earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Highlight the benefits of the product rather than just focusing on the affiliate link. Explain how the product can solve the problem or fulfill a need. Don't post the same link repeatedly or in multiple groups. This can lead your post being flagged as spam. If the group rules allow, you could ask the group admin for permission before posting affiliate links. Some groups appreciate this courtesy. If possible, use eye-catching images or graphics in your post to grab attention. If people comment on your post, engage with them in a helpful and respectful manner. Address questions or concerns promptly. Pay attention to the group's response to your post. If people are not receptive, consider adjusting your approach. So that's how to promote your affiliate links on Facebook groups.